Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Ford Escape. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims, black leather interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, and backup camera. Now moving on to the interior of the Ford Escape, we can take a look at some of the interior features, starting off with our door panel. We have our chrome door handles, lock and unlock button, and beside that we have our memory seats. Nice trim here, window and mirror controls, and then our speaker and storage underneath. Side of the seat we do have power seat adjustment and lumbar support. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our power liftgate release and lighting settings. Gauge cluster. On the steering wheel we have our radio and cruise control settings, and the wheels wrapped in black leather with grips. Our push start. Infotainment screen has our audio, phone, navigation, as well as additional apps and reverse camera. Radio controls, and then our climate controls. We also have a heated steering wheel option, and 2 heated seats for the front passengers, some charging outlets, our key. You can see we have remote start and power tailgate release from the key. Then we have our gear selection knob. You can see there with low gear in the middle. 2 cup holders, electric park brake hold, and then we have our park assist and drive modes, and then our auto start stop system and a card holder. Padded leather center console lid. Inside we have a charging outlet. The front seats are featured in black leather with gray stitching and perforated leather, and they're heated. And then above the rear view mirror we have our dome lights and sunglass holder. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Ford badge center caps. We have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our SEL, Escape, and EcoBoost badging with dual exhaust underneath. We also have a power activated liftgate, inside of which we have plenty of storage room, and a 12-volt charging port off to the left, and the button overhead to close. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Escape, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handles, still with the plastic on there. We have our window switch, speaker and storage. Back of the front seat we have our magazine holders, and back of the center console we have our vents and some charging outlets. The rear seats are featured in a 60-40 split bench with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Ford Escape. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.